Attorney General, you've gone on the record saying, quote, you'll be the first to sue if Trump goes after birthright citizenship. You yourself your parents coming to the United States, you're born here in the United States, you are the American dream. Does Donald Trump think that the 14th Amendment doesn't exist anymore?
Yeah, I don't know what he thinks. Let me just say, first of all, that the images from Los Angeles are heartbreaking. Yeah. One of my best friends and his family lost their home, and I just hope that everybody is safe out there and cared for. And I think it underscores in this moment, and I wasn't going to say this morning, but this is not a time for the federal government to turn its back on the American people, to go after us, to attack immigrants and people seeking reproductive health care, to dismantle the EPA and stop our fight against climate change. This is when we need the federal government to stand there and help us and help the states. But if Donald Trump's not going to do that, well, I'm going to do everything I can to protect Connecticut and Connecticut families, including the American-born children of immigrants who have birthright citizenship like me. And in one generation, I've had the chance to go from working in my parents' Chinese restaurant to being the Attorney General of this state. And even Ronald Reagan acknowledged that that's the essential character of our nation and its core to the American dream.
You know, Attorney General, we speak frankly and in practical terms here at the Katie Phang Show. Manage some expectations, though. I understand and I admire the work that you and other attorney generals are doing across the United States. How does this work, though, if you get a federal order from Donald Trump, from Tom Homan, for example, the borders are coming in? How does that work vis-a-vis a federal edict, executive order, or some type of federal administrative order? And how do you do that as the Connecticut AG?
So state attorneys general, particularly Democratic attorneys general, are ready for this fight. I was here for the second half of Trump 1.0. I am on the front lines for Trump 2.0. And Democratic AGs are going to be a firewall for people in our states. And so if he tries to go and rescind or deny birthright citizenship, that is clear under the 14th Amendment, right? The 14th Amendment clearly says that if you're born on American soil or in a place subject to the jurisdiction of the United States, you are a citizen, period, full stop. And the Supreme Court confirmed that in a famous case called Wong Kim Ark about Chinese American immigrants more than 100 years ago. So we're going to go right into court and we're going to stop him.
Attorney General, I did want to also follow up. You have said something very interesting. You said calling Connecticut, for example, a sanctuary state or sanctuary jurisdiction is actually not only legally incorrect, but it kind of sends the wrong message. Quickly speak about why it's important for people to understand why the use of that phrase is probably not helpful.
First of all, it's the policy of the state of Connecticut to respect, honor, and protect immigrants and immigrant families. And I'm just going to say what we mean and what our policy and our law is. There's no law, there's no statute, there's no ordinance that says sanctuary. And it's not helpful because on the other side, they'll say that that suggests that we're not going to comply with federal law or state law. Totally not true. We're going to protect Connecticut families and immigrants in full compliance with the law. And I also think that sanctuary, you know, it just gets people ginned up. It's inflammatory language. And it also suggests that we can provide 100% protection for everybody at all times. That's also not true. And so we have to be accurate and clear and precise in our language, particularly in difficult moments like this.
Connecticut Attorney General William Tong, it is good to see you again, sir. My thanks to you, and hope to see you again here on the Katie Phang Show soon. Thanks.
Thanks so much, Katie.